that, guys. The sun's just barely coming up over there. Congratulations, 500 subscribers. I'm gonna take care of a couple of you guys today. I'm gonna go get some trees for the yard, some fruit trees, and I'm gonna run by Harbor Freight and see if I can't come up with another swag pack or something for somebody. So you guys stay tuned. Somebody's wanting a motor today, someone's wanting a torque converter today. Who knows what else? What's up, fellas? Got another homie hookup for you guys. Let me move this shit out the back seat. I had to come get a sprayer because mine crapped the bed. That may go for one of my builds or for one of yours. We'll see. Well, I like them back seats. Plenty of room. I could fit like 30 Predators back there if I had to. I got a $120 Hobo Freight gift card. So the winner can take that. The winner can take the motor I originally offered to give away, which was the whatever came on that 212 Moto Max, or you could take the Predator motor. Second place is going to get the torque converter, or if one of y'all takes, we'll just see how it goes. There's going to be 3 winners, so I'll just tell you that. And number one's going to get a pick their, pick what they want first. So let me wipe you off here, guy. That fucking lady in the Harbor Freight had to hold my phone. I have a Harbor Freight gift card for you guys for the winner if they want it instead of the motor, because the last Predator motor I shipped to Oregon or Washington cost me 160 bucks. They charged me 90 when I dropped it off, said it would be all good, and then they fucking back charged me another $76. So it's 166 bucks to ship that motor, guys. But I'm a man of my word. So if you guys want the motor that's in the box, that's at the house, that came off the bike, I'll package it up as best I can. I'll drain it of the gas and oil. I'll mail that sumbitch out. If you guys want this 212 Predator, I'll mail that sumbitch out. If you guys want this $120 gift card, I can mail it to you, or I can give you the numbers off of it, whatever. You could have your motor today. I could pay for your motor online. You can run on over to the Harbor Freight, pick it up. That would save me on shipping. I could just pay for it and do in-store pickup. And then, man, it would save me a lot of trouble. And you would get your motor faster. I mean, the shipping is not going fast these days. Honestly, I could send it today, but it may be a week before somebody gets it. So we got 500 subscribers. Thank you guys. And I'm going to make sure that our subscribers are taken care of. I'm not going to share this video. This is for you guys only. And I'm going to do better than I said. So you know how I am. I appreciate the 500 subscribers. I'm going to go do a little bit extra for you. And hopefully my wife won't be too pissed off at me. She hates you guys. Remember, guys, don't ever quit improving your situation. No time for that. No time to quit. No time to quit improving around here. But this one's already got some buds on it. There we go. Hey, I'm gonna cut this video. Going live tonight. You guys be sure and be there, because I'm gonna be giving this motor away. Might be another surprise. You get a chance to bullshit with me and Blake for a minute, and just you guys be there. We're going live tonight, and get ready. Get ready. You guys be sure and be there. 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're on the East Coast, that's about quitting time. If you're on the West Coast, it's drinking time, man. Y'all be there. If you're seeing this and you don't know what giveaway we're talking about, look in the comments. Go to active giveaways on our channel. You got till 7 p.m. tonight to get in on this. Like I said, I'm going to give away a first place prize, which is going to be the motor or the card. I'm going to give away the torque converter to second place. Third place, may get a sticker pack, may get something else. Hell, it depends, guys, but that's your worst case scenario right there. So you guys be sure and like and subscribe. Check the description if you don't know what I'm talking about, and if you're already in on it, dude, just keep it quiet. You got a better chance to win.